Hello dear friends, this is Garnier Body Cocoon Intense Moisturizing Lotion. Garnier Body Cocoon Intense Moisturizing Lotion is a special body lotion that will smooth and reduce the skin suppleness, leaving it feeling unbelievably soft. Its cream-like texture is instantly absorbed into the skin, enveloping it in a nourishing cocoon of softness, leaving it deliciously fragranted. It has a special combination that gives your skin a natural glow without oily shine. The formula is non-sticky, non-oily and immediately gets absorbed to provide 24-hour moisturization. It is enriched with microfruit oils that helps to protect the skin from external factors as well as from its refreshing benefits. Its moisturizing formula blends selected natural ingredients, microfruit oils from apricot, olives, grapes, etc. to deliver an immediate burst of moisture to the skin. It will leave your skin appear transformed and visibly smoother and noticeably softer. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Garnier Body Cocoon Intense Moisture Lotion. I have brought it from Amazon.in. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that the content may not leak out and it is tightly sealed from all sides. Here you can see the barcode and here now I am ripping it open. It has a volume of 125 ml. The MRP of the product is rupees 280 INR and here now I am cutting it through. It is tightly sealed from all sides so that the contents may not leak out, and here this is the Garnier Body Cocoon and here I am taking it out from the polythene and here it is. Here this is the polythene. Here you have the polythene foam. It is packed in polythene foam so that any damage to the product may not occur during seepage. This lotion is perfect for those who have a super dry skin. If you're dry, rough, flaky and tight, you are lacking moisture. This body lotion promises to restore and smooth the skin, making it supple and incredibly soft. It is creamy yet light, and the texture of this lotion is instantly absorbed into the skin layer. It is made with nourishing and toning blend of apricot, olive and avocado oil. And here this is the body cocoon, nice orange in color, and here it looks very nice. And here these are the details of the product. These are not only rich in essential vitamin and mineral but also healing antioxidant and essential fatty acid. And here now I have opened the product and here I am pouring the lotion, and here this is the moisturizer. This is the Garnier Body Cocoon moisturizer. It is creamy and here I have taken out and now I am going to apply it in my skin, and here I am applying it in my skin and it feels very nice, very soft. It moisturizes your skin all day long and all day through. Apricot and olive oil have a high quality of vitamin A and E that are natural antioxidant. These protect the skin from damaging effect of the environmental pollutant and harmful UV rays, preventing the premature aging. Meanwhile, the avocado oil is readily absorbed by the skin, providing a deep and long-lasting moisture. Together, these penetrate deep into the skin, covering it with a cocoon moisturizer packed with vitamin and mineral. These are essential to the well-being. Garnier Body Cocoon is enriched with microfruit oils to moisturize and nourish your skin. It is a fine and light texture and is easily absorbed, and it can be used throughout the day. It can be used by both men and women alike. Its formula blends moisturizing cream with selected ingredients from apricot and avocado oil to give softness and nourishment to your skin. It contains vegetal glycerol to retain the skin moisture and to protect it against damage and drying. Garnier uses whatever possible active natural nutrient and ingredients which have been carefully extracted to preserve the quality, and the products have been dermatologically tested to ensure softness to your skin. It should be applied daily after cleansing your skin. You gently have to massage into the skin using circular movements from center of your face to outward and from the base of to deep of your neck and top. The cream blends well with the skin and gets easily absorbed and leaves a shiny layer on your skin, making your skin glow. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.